Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to respond to a frequently asked question from beginners, that is how to get noticed on Redbubble. So the answer to this question depends on some factors and some points. In this video, I'd like to demonstrate them in quick and in brief. And now, let's get started with the first one, which is the niche or the main keyword of your design. For sure, if you're a newbie here on Redbubble or in print-on-demand business in general, it's better for you to work on less competition keywords and niches. Therefore, you can escape from the big competition and the big crowd in that general niche. For example, and instead of working on swimming niche, a swimming word in general, you can niche it down, or you can break it down into sub niches or micro niches, as you can work on swimming pool sayings, funny swimming quotes, swimmer quotes, and so on. As a result, you would get more chances to get more views in these niches and micro niches and get noticed on Redbubble. So the first factor to get noticed on Redbubble, you have to select less competition keywords and niches. The second factor is cross niche designs. And of course, one of the best ways to get noticed on Redbubble is by using cross niching method. So what the mean of cross niche designs? Cross niche design combines two big niches or micro niches in one design. Therefore, you can escape from the big competition and the big crowd on both niches. And for sure, you will find a lot of customers don't only search for one single item. For example, a cross niche design combines nursing and coffee. For sure, you will find a lot of nurses who love their jobs and love coffee as well. And a cross niche design combines dogs and reading. You'll find a lot of customers who love dogs and reading as well. And therefore, cross niche designs play a big role to get noticed on Redbubble, because you will be more targeting to customers and describe them more regarding their interests, skills, and hobbies. Okay. So the second factor to get noticed on Redbubble is by using cross niche method. The third factor is the number of your designs. For sure, if you are working on Redbubble, you have to upload your designs in daily basis. But here I mean you have to upload many designs, different designs of your niches or micro niches. Therefore, you can make a full coverage of that niche or that main keyword. Different styles of your designs, or in other words, you have to be a more dominant in your niche or sub niche. So you would get more chances to get more views and get noticed on Redbubble. Okay. The fourth factor is the quality of your designs. You have to make pleasant designs to motivate customers to purchase your products. And if you are a beginner, don't have any experience in dealing with professional softwares like Photoshop or Illustrator, don't sweat it, because you can create beautiful designs on websites like Canva, VistaCreate, Udesign, or even by using smartphone apps. And I have discussed before in a big playlist how to create beautiful designs using Canva, PowerPoint, VistaCreate, and smartphone apps, and so on. You will find this big playlist below in the first comment. You have to create simple and clean design. Okay. And now let's move on to the next factor, which is the SEO or the search engine optimization of your designs. Here, you have to mind of the SEO of your designs regarding title, description, and tags. Therefore, you can push your designs highly on search results to be noticed on Redbubble, to get more views, therefore get more sales. And I have discussed before in a previous video SEO tips to get your designs highly on search results to get more sales. You will find this video below in the first comment. And the next factor is about all products. I always say that you have to enable and activate all products as possible as you can on Redbubble, because you don't know if a customer loves your design in a t-shirt, not in a sticker. He could love your design in TOEFL pack, not in a shower curtain, and so on. So you have to enable and activate all products on Redbubble. Okay. And let's move on to the last factor to get noticed on Redbubble, which is promotion of your designs on social media like Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, and so on. Therefore, you have to promote your products, your design on all social media to get more views, to get more traffic to your designs. Therefore, you get more click-through rates. Therefore, Redbubble algorithms push your designs higher on search results because these designs are highly demanded and highly required and highly selling. And now you have known all factors that help you to get noticed on Redbubble, so you have to work on them right now and you will find that your sales are coming. And to that end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.